Okay, now it's ready for cleaning out this and flattening it. You can see how much has to come out of this. I can just clean it out back to this flat. This flat that I made with the vertical cuts of the chisel. Okay, now I'm going to have to set up in a different way to work the other sawn edge. Clean that up. And I'll set that up and then start the video again. More cleanup with the chisel now. This was a sawn edge here, and I need to get back to this little area here where I did a vertical slice with the chisel on the marked edge. And I knew I'd need that as a reference. Okay. Now I can turn it over and finish up the other side.